In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fill the alphabet by dragging in Excel. This method is quick, and it helps you generate a full alphabet sequence without manually typing each letter. To follow along, make sure you are working in an Excel worksheet where you want the letters to appear, and keep your eyes on cell A1 as you start. First, click cell A1. Once the cell is selected, look up at the formula bar. In the formula bar, type DHAH Rabzo A65. After you have typed it correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. You should see the first letter appear in cell A1, which is typically the letter A. This step matters because the sayRchair function converts a number into a corresponding character, and the row function provides the numeric value needed to build the alphabet. Next, take a moment to confirm that the letter displayed is correct. If you type the formula properly, cell A1 should show the letter A. Now you are ready to extend the sequence. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of cell A1. When you position your cursor correctly, you will see a small black cross appear. This black cross is the fill handle, and it is the key tool for dragging to autofill adjacent cells. Now click and drag the fill handle down through cell A26. As you drag, Excel will fill the cells in the column for you, generating the alphabet sequence from A onward. Try to drag smoothly until you reach A26, and then release the mouse button. If everything works as expected, you will see letters populate each cell in the range, creating A through Z. This is the main payoff of the method, because dragging saves a lot of time compared to manual entry. After the letters are filled, you will want to select the entire filled range from A1 to A26. Click and drag your selection box so that all the generated letters are highlighted. If you want to be extra careful, make sure the highlight starts at A1 and ends at A26, with nothing outside the range included. Selecting the whole range ensures that the next action applies to all letters consistently. Once the range A1 to A26 is selected, press Ctrl+C to copy the generated letters. At this point, Excel has the alphabet values you want, but they are still tied to the formula-based generation. Copying prepares them so you can paste them as static text, which is often what you want for clean results. Now right-click the selection. After you right-click, you will see the Paste Options menu, which includes several icons. Click the Values icon under Paste Options. Choosing values is important because it converts the generated results into plain letter values, rather than leaving them as formulas. This makes your sheet easier to use, and prevents the letters from changing if anything in the worksheet updates later. Take a quick look after pasting to confirm that the letters remain correct, and that they appear as normal text in the cells. If you followed the steps carefully, you will have a complete alphabet list from A in cell A1 to Z in cell A26. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.